Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of synthetic winch ropes. We've selected the top 5 synthetic winch ropes available on the market right now, and we'll be breaking down their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. As always, you can find links to each product in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the AXIPEX Synthetic Winch Rope Kit. This product is a fantastic entry-level option for ATV and UTV owners who need a lightweight yet reliable winch rope. Featuring a 3/16" diameter and 50-foot length, this rope has a breaking strength of 8,500 pounds, making it perfect for smaller off-road vehicles. The rope is made from 12 strands of ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, UHMWPE, and comes with a polyester coating that offers exceptional resistance to UV damage and chemicals. One standout feature is the 5-foot sliding protective sleeve, which helps prevent wear and tear during use. In terms of design, the AXIPEX rope is incredibly lightweight, up to 85% lighter than traditional steel cables. This makes it safer to handle and easier to store. The kit includes a forged steel winch hook with a load capacity of 17,200 pounds, a rubber stopper, and a safety pull strap, ensuring a complete and convenient package for off-road enthusiasts. While the rope's durability and floating properties are notable, its 8,500 pound strength means it's best suited for lighter vehicles and less demanding winching tasks. Overall, the AXIPEX Synthetic Winch Rope Kit is a great value for the price, though it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty applications. If you own an ATV or UTV and need a reliable, safe, and lightweight winch rope for moderate off-road adventures, this product is worth considering. Pros include its lightweight design and affordable price point. Cons are its lower breaking strength and limited compatibility with heavier vehicles. Coming in at number 4 is the Daydor Synthetic Winch Rope. This rope is designed for off-road enthusiasts who need a reliable solution for lighter vehicles like ATVs and UTVs. With a 1/4 inch diameter and a 50-foot length, this rope boasts a maximum breaking strength of 10,000 pounds. The 12-strand braided UHMWPE construction ensures excellent tensile strength and abrasion resistance. The rope is coated in UV-resistant polyester to protect it from sun exposure, extending its lifespan. In terms of user experience, the Daydor rope is incredibly lightweight, making it safer and easier to handle compared to steel cables. It comes with a forged steel winch hook rated at 13,500 pounds, a dense rubber stopper, and a safety pull strap, providing a comprehensive kit for fast and secure winching. The rope's floating capability is particularly useful for water recoveries, while its low stretch reduces the risk of snapping under tension. However, it's worth noting that the rope is best suited for winches with a pull rating of 5,000 pounds or less, making it ideal for smaller vehicles but less useful for larger off-road trucks. The Daydor Synthetic Winch Rope offers a solid balance of performance and affordability, especially for ATV and UTV owners. Pros include its high tensile strength, lightweight build, and long working life. On the downside, it's not suitable for heavy-duty applications or larger vehicles. If you're looking for a dependable winch rope for light off-road use, this is a fantastic option. At number 3, we have the TYT Synthetic Winch Rope Kit. This rope is a versatile and durable option for off-road enthusiasts. Measuring 1/4 inch in diameter and 50 feet in length, the rope offers a breaking strength of 10,000 pounds, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of vehicles, including ATVs, UTVs, and light trucks. The 12-strand braided UHMWPE construction ensures incredible toughness, while the included 1.5-meter nylon sleeve protects the rope from abrasion and UV damage, enhancing its longevity. What sets the TYT rope apart is its premium accessories. The heavy-duty forged steel hook has a load capacity of 25,000 pounds, providing extra strength for demanding recovery situations. The kit also includes a rubber stopper and a reflective safety pull strap for added convenience and safety. Users will appreciate the rope's lightweight design, which is not only safer than steel cables, but also easier to handle and store. However, it's important to note that the rope is not recommended for winches with higher pull ratings, as its strength is optimized for vehicles under 10,000 pounds. The TYT Synthetic Winch Rope Kit is an excellent mid-range option for those who want a well-rounded rope with great durability and thoughtful design features. Pros include its strong build, UV resistance, and high-quality accessories. Cons are its limited compatibility with heavier vehicles and its slightly higher price compared to similar products. Overall, it's a reliable choice for off-road enthusiasts looking for a balance between performance and affordability. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the all-top synthetic winch rope. This heavy-duty rope is designed for serious off-roaders and professionals who demand the best in strength and durability. With a 9/16-inch diameter and a 76-foot length, this rope boasts an impressive braking strength of 35,000 pounds, making it suitable for vehicles with a winch pull rating of 12,500 pounds or more. The 12-strand UHMWPE construction is coated with premium urethane for enhanced resistance to UV rays and chemicals, ensuring long-lasting performance in tough environments. The all-top rope comes with a fully forged steel winch hook rated at 35,000 pounds, a high-quality rubber stopper, and a safety pull strap, providing a complete recovery solution. One unique feature is the 5-foot sliding protective sleeve and the 5-foot warning jacket, which add an extra layer of safety and durability. The rope's reinforced metal eye loop guards further enhance its reliability during high-tension recoveries. While the rope is heavier than some of the other options on this list, its exceptional strength and safety features make it a top choice for heavy-duty applications. The all-top synthetic winch rope is a premium product with a price tag to match, but its performance justifies the cost. Pros include its unmatched strength, durable design, and comprehensive safety features. The only downside is its weight, which may be a consideration for some users. If you need a winch rope that can handle the toughest conditions, this is the one to beat. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the VEVOR Synthetic Winch Rope. This rope strikes the perfect balance between price, performance, and durability, making it our top recommendation for most users. Measuring 3/8 inch in diameter and 100 feet in length, it offers a braking strength of 26,500 pounds, making it suitable for SUVs, trucks, and other large off-road vehicles. The rope is made from 12-strand high-molecular polyethylene and features a PU coating for added toughness, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. The VEVOR rope includes a robust ram's horn hook with a braking strength of 20,988 pounds, powder-coated for rust resistance. Its double-ended design features a 5-foot protective sleeve to guard against abrasion and a 6-foot warning sleeve to indicate the winching limit, enhancing both safety and durability. Installation is straightforward, and the rope is compatible with winches rated between 9,500 and 13,500 pounds. Users have praised the VEVOR rope for its reliability, ease of use, and excellent value for the price. Overall, the VEVOR Synthetic Winch Rope is a standout product that delivers exceptional performance at a very competitive price point. Pros include its high braking strength, durable construction, and thoughtful design features. The only potential downside is that it may be overkill for smaller vehicles. If you're looking for a versatile, high-quality winch rope that won't break the bank, the VEVOR rope is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect synthetic winch rope for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy off-roading!